What's up, fellow gamers? Ready to change your controls UI and dominate in PUBG Mobile? Well, you're in luck, because in this video I'll guide you through customizing the controls UI straight from your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, fire up PUBG Mobile. Then tap on the upward arrow icon from the lower right corner of the screen. Next, tap on Settings from this menu. Now switch to the Customize button tab. You can customize your character's movements, vehicle controls, and even special vehicle settings from right here. Now to customize the UI, just tap on the Customize button and the UI editor will launch. You can move around the buttons by simply dragging them across the screen. And don't forget, you can make them smaller by pinching in and bigger by pinching out. Once you're done, tap the Save button. And if you messed up your setup, no worries. Just tap the Reset button and then tap on Reset again, and everything will go back to the default layout. So guys, that's how you can change the controls UI in PUBG Mobile on your iPhone. So if you found this video helpful, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.